Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to use templates on Microsoft Outlook, so let's start. It's very easy to do. So first let's go to our email on Microsoft Store. Like it's my case, I'm here. So then let's go to the left side and you will find this part that says new email. In my case it's in Spanish, but the same steps are in English. So just click here new email and then you will find that up here on the top appears new options. So go to this option that says apps. Just click here and you will find automatically this app that says my templates. Okay, well this is in Spanish but it says my templates. So just click here. Then you will find here some templates that you can use for your email. So if you like something, just click here and you will find here it's add to your email. Okay, you can use many as you want or whatever you want to write it. Okay, if you want to edit some of these templates you can do it. You will find here the icon for editing, so you will edit all of the email. For example, in this case we are talking in English, so for example, how are you? Okay, then I want to talk to you later. Okay, so just save it and then let's change it. Okay, I want to talk to you later. If you want to delete some of these templates you can do it by just click on delete, so you can delete it. And now if you want to create more templates for you, just click here on the plus symbol and then you can add a title. For example, regards, best regards. Okay, just add that here and then let's go here and write your name, Sam Cooper, and then just click on save. Now you can add this one for regards and you can write here, okay, like your signature for your email. That's the way to do it. You can change, of course, the title or change what you want to right here on your templates. So it's very easy. As you can see, you can edit many of them or you can add many of them as you want or as you need. So guys, I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give thumbs up to this video.